would like to represent the coursework which was performed by a student of the group SA32, Podlesna Lilia, and checked by Wysoka Victoria. The theme of this coursework was optimization of the number of buses on the road. During this coursework, I had some tasks. Choose one of City Lviv's city bus routes, search on the internet, measure by Google Earth for all available road data, and enter all data in a spirit in R and or Python, including names and places of stops, distances between stops, distances for each stop to the city center, periodically of movement, and bus type, capacity. Also, during this course work, I had some more tasks. They were to simulate bus traffic on the road and display simulation and data graphically, calculate the main statistical characteristics of the process, simulate the curve of potential passengers at each stop of the road with random arrivals of new passengers, set the duration of the entire road by one bus and distribute it between stops in proportional of length of the road between them, specifically of number of the buses on road N, and calculate the appropriate internal between arrivals at each stop of the next bus. Also, I had some more tasks. They were to select the number of buses on the road N that would maximize in total number of passengers carried per road. Calculate the optional number of buses on the road depending on the hour of day or holiday and during working days. Also, find the estimate for mathematical expectation M for management S, and construct a confidence interval that would correspond to the confidence probably be 0.8 for all roads per day. Do you think is it useful? For my mind, in my mind, is it useful because a promising direction for improving the city's transformation system is determining the optimal steers of wishes, which provides for the combination of large and medium-sized buses which perform most of the transportation, provide comfortable conditions for passengers to travel, and fully meet the determined for peak times. Also are some analogies of this program. At present there aren't no analogies of this program, so there is no programs that analyze the number of passengers at different times of the day and on different days who want to take the bus. There are running programs that count the number of buses on a road and indicate where they are located. This program, for example, there is a mobile phone application where you can select a bus number and track its location. The number of this app is Lviv Transport Online. On this picture you can see how does it look like. So on the first piece of picture there is a map of the city. On the other there is types of transport, for example buses and electricity transport. On the next piece of picture there are numbers of buses, and on the next there are stops which are on the road of this bus. Also, that's why this program will be relevant for private transport companies and for the city. the program mathematically analyzes the day and times of bus use, it will also indicate which number of buses on the road is more optimal.